Right flank.
Yeah. DOA, Callus, we, and Hardgate, so we going down here. Guns, me and you are going to be going this way.
Anybody
You're going to
located?
be capping A and then going on towards C.
Anybody located? Nope.
Hardcase, you located?
Yeah, left. Left of where I'm aiming anyway.
And are you located?
It says located.
Yeah. Yeah, so they've got up here.
I can't understand you. Can you say it again? Are you located?
Yes.
You have to speak louder. I have seawater in the ears.
I shouldn't
Not
sing so
ticks.
much.
Oh. It's actually a giant penis. For
That's
the guy
just what we
Donovan.
needed.
He's ejaculating his shots.
This is why he got a sore bum.
Yes. He spreads his shots all over the enemy ships.
All along this shaft.
That's why we call him Guns.
Okay, I'm located now. So
Thanks.
the RPF just switched for them.
Maybe you should change your name to Gun Sex Machine, Donovan.
Callus, slow down a bit, please.
Oh, Guns, sexy turns, Donovan.
Did you hear me, Callus?
Yes, I slowed
Okay.
down already.
Just making sure there's no misunderstandings.
You have to speak German. I can't understand you.
Step.
Anhalten!
Was that Pakistani? I can't understand you.
I'm detected.
I'm not detected.
Deine Papiere und zwar schnell!
Vorwärts. Für Führer, Volk und Reich. Was that
Arbeit
too
macht-
German for you?
Arbeit macht frei.
Ja. Wer macht denn sowas?
Let's see what we can see. Go on, speed up now, Callus. You're with
I'm
everyone
detected.
Am I pushing into the middle of the mapish?
Oh, what's
You're going towards C,
detecting,
but like
Yeah,
I'm not.
Yeah, yeah.
like same thing.
Yeah.
If you radar, just turn back and go in this way. Obviously,
There's no
Up
resistance
way.
here. Do we keep pushing then?
What's
no
far?
resistance.
I don't see anything.
Yeah.
Oh, on radar.
Radar. What's far radar?
You're
Right,
all
Do
in
you want to put
Oh.
Hydro on?
Oh!
Right,
Come on,
4
come on.
people aiming at me.
I'm going Hydro.
Cool. You dodge.
Detected.
I'm I'm radar.
3 people
Oh,
aiming at
being
me.
aimed at.
It's the Mokwa.
Mokwa.
The Doom Squad is aiming at me.
Mokba.
Fucking conqueror. Shit. Good luck with that, Philly.
Push, push, push.
Push.
A la push. Oh, it's gone. It's gone. The radar's gone. The just.
Is detected.
Oh, they've got 2 Moskvas, so be careful.
I'm gonna guns. I'm
Well,
gonna
that-
top.
They've used 2 radars so far.
Oh,
Both of them was fast.
we're gonna have the broadside soon.
Detected. You should have told me, guns. I would have hydroed myself.
Oh, Danny boy. Oh, they're pushing forwards. They won't gonna have the
Coming for
broadsides.
you.
They're all aiming for me.
Des Moines at
Oh,
sea.
Des Moines got my broadside.
One more here, so that.
Ow!
The pipes are calling.
The sea cap might be a bit of a struggle.
Yeah, I don't think you should be there with the Desert Mountains. Or should you pull back? Maybe.
Yeah, maybe guns wants to like sort of turn left a
Mine
bit.
Oh,
start
gearing
reversing.
towards.
Oh, turn right while you're reversing guns.
What are we gonna do with our dunes? It looks right endangered.
If they're pushing the cap, I can get out, but
Okay.
Oh,
Don't want to lose
fucking-
your dunes. You're
well,
too
they're
precious.
radar.
Too precious to me.
Just focus on Moskva.
Later. Confirmed penetration.
Well, the gearing teams are fucked.
Stand me at your room. Who's been playing my radio? Fuck off, conqueror, you cunt. Shoot fucking Philly, he's bigger than me.
Huh? I'm really big.
Yeah, and he's shooting at me, the bastard.
I'm still being
Nobody's
located
shooting at
from
me.
outside where I am, so to right of where I am.
Nice. Yeah.
Go
Okay,
right off
Alice,
on the
watch your
spot.
left, dude. There's another Moskva there. He's going to A. Can I
Conqueror,
have do you-
he's shooting at me again.
Are you detected, DOA?
I'm
Yep.
detecting.
Yeah,
Oh,
the
you
gearing
won.
is here somewhere on the right.
Well,
Fuck. Honestly, I wanted DOA to go to the center on the left, but if he's detected, fuck, that Conqueror's gonna fuck him up.
Gearing.
Where's the
He's
gearing?
shooting at
aiming
me all
at me,
fucking
to be
game, mate.
honest. I think he has... No, he's aiming for DOA now.
Well,
Harry,
if I was you, I'd do it quickly before they start turning them ships about in sea.
Free flame of radio. Really, have you got shots on that cock?
Yeah, I thought I'd focus on Moscow, but he's turning in anyway.
On that cock? That cock
These
that
are bad.
keeps shooting at me with AP. Al, I'm staying behind you, Philly. I can't afford to take a pill.
no!
Oh, how the fuck did that gearing manage to torp us
Hey,
twice?
somebody please get rid of him.
The enemy team has taken the lead.
Yeah, well, hasn't that worked?
Akalis,
Yes.
can you turn left? Lefter than you've... harder left than you've ever turned left in your life before. Now I'm gonna ask you to rush the Conqueror.
Russian torp his ass, mate.
I
Go
was
on.
prepared myself.
Rush the Russian.
The Russian. No, that's enough left! That's enough left!
Hard left, you
No!
said. As left as you can.
Oi, gorgeous. Thank you very much, son.
I wanted you to rush the Conqueror. I mean, that way you'd be behind an island, you'd have a brief respite, but now it doesn't even matter.
I love that ship, the Conqueror. It's fucking awesome.
Penetration!
Yeah, he just penetrated you, mate.
Yeah, but I've got pirate voices enabled.
That one, yeah, I suppose. Take these second guns for Callus by the looks of things, ain't he? No. Because that's what I would have done.
This is why I wanted you to
See,
like
was,
rush him.
mate.
He had his guns turned the wrong way, Callis. You could have put a full spread of torps
You
into his
said,
side.
you know, you said.
I know,
Russian
but fuck
turn
me,
hard
use the
left,
brain,
turn hard
man.
left, that's left. You know, you didn't specify.
I did say
that-
rush the
that
Conqueror.
these
Did
two
I not say rush the
commands-
Conqueror?
Yeah, you said, but you
It
didn't
doesn't matter,
specify
just
that
get out of the
these
game,
two
fuck.
commands were one command. You said rush the Conqueror, and then you said turn hard left.
No,
as
I
left
said
as you
turn
can.
hard left, and then I said
No,
rush the
no.
Conqueror.
No, you said it now the exact.
Listen, alright, okay, we'll get blood in, it's fine.
Yes.
Well, Guns has got his weird voice replays enabled, doesn't he?
No particular place to go. We got fucked up then. Good and proper.